Hello Excursionistas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excursionista Diaries. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magluto ng napakasarap at napaka-affordable na dessert. Ito ay ang chocolate mousse cake. So please keep on watching! These are the ingredients for our chocolate mousse cake. So we have sugar. So ang kailangan lang natin is 1/2 cup of sugar. We have a 3/4 cup chocolate chips. We have cornstarch. So ang kailangan lang natin is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We have 1 can of evaporated milk. So ang kailangan natin is 365 ml. 1 pack of nestle cream. So ang kailangan natin is ang 250 ml. And we have a cocoa. So, ang kailangan lang natin is 3 tablespoons of cocoa, tapos extra for frosting later. So, magsisimula na tayo. So, ang first step ay lalagyan natin ng wax paper ang ating container. So, ito ay 2x6 pan. Either baking paper or wax paper ang gamitin ninyo. Pagkatapos nating malagyan ng wax paper ang ating container, iset aside ito. So, ang next step natin is mix all the ingredients except the chocolate chips. First is the 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. The 1/2 cup of sugar. Next is the 3 tablespoon cornstarch. Pwede kayong gumamit ng spatula or wooden ladle or wire whisk. So, ang gagamitin ko ay ang wire whisk. So, unahin nating i-mix ang dry ingredients bago ilagay ang milk at saka ang nestle cream. So, pagkatapos haluin ang dry ingredients, i-add na natin ang evaporated milk at saka ang nestle cream. Ang evaporated milk. So, haluin lang ng maigi. So, pagkatapos nating haluin ang mixture, lutuin ito under low fire. Continue lang paghaluin ang mixture hanggang sa kumulo ito. Pagkakulo ng ating mixture, ilagay na natin ang chocolate chips. Pagkatapos nating ma-achieve ang tamang consistency ng ating mixture, ilipat ito sa ating sinet aside na container. So, we are almost done. Ito na nga ang ating chocolate mousse cake. So, palamigin muna natin ito bago ilagay sa ref ng at least 2 hours. So, see ya later para sa ating taste test. Bye! And yes, I'm back. So, after 5 hours, ito na nga ang hitsura ng ating chocolate mousse cake. So, ita-transfer na natin ito sa ating container. Lagyan ito ng frosting gamit ang cocoa powder. And this is the finished product, the chocolate mousse cake. So, mapapanganga ka sa sobrang sarap nito. And take note, this is the best for all seasons. So, thank you so much for watching! Sana may natutunan ka sa aking bagong video at kung meron man, please consider subscribing at give me a thumbs up on this video. See you in my next video. Bye!